Gosh, I have been fixing up arcade games for over 10 years now, I believe. I got into fixing arcade cabinets, God, years and years ago. I think Dance Dance Revolution is the best game ever made, and I always wanted to own one. On owning it, I had to do some maintenance, and eventually I yelled at a company because they had a DDR machine that was in terrible shape, and I fixed it for them, and that led me here. For fixing arcade games, skills that are needed is deep-seated rage and hatred for the machines. There are some specialty skills like soldering, networking, but really it's, as corny as it sounds, very passion-driven. Some of the things, margins aren't too great, so yeah, it's really just a drive to want to play games. Every day I deal with a lovely new person, anywhere from reasonable complaints like a machine's not working and a service wasn't done in a timely manner, all the way to, people sending me death threats over 25 cents. It's changed. When I started this job, it was very much clear-cut. On this day, you do this thing. Now that I'm further along with the company and I have far more experience, it is a lot of networking, a lot of payment processing stuff, a lot of customer relations. Even though I'm still the guy who's doing most of the fixing has sort of been tuned down quite a bit compared to more managerial tasks. Ooh, for one cabinet, depends on the type of game and the era and what it's in for. Honestly, the vast majority of fixes are 1 to 2 minutes. Coin is stuck in something, a switch is out of place. You could argue, the game turns on, just this button doesn't work. You could argue that is working, even though, no. Fix your buttons, people. Whereas other games, I will sit down and be like, this will probably be like a 10-minute fix, and 3 days later and a head of hair later, it's still not working. God, there is this joke I had heard with vintage electromechanical pinballs that oh, the game's not working because it's not aligned with the Earth's magnetic poles, because those games just work on magnets and motors and switches. And it's always, ha ha ha, yeah, it's the magnets, ha ha ha. Me and 2 other people were 6-7 hours deep in this game. We absolutely have done everything we can think of. We've tested every possible component. Nothing is making sense. Somebody's like, oh yeah, it's because the Earth's magnetic poles, ha ha ha. So we rotate the machine and it started working. I'm still mad about that to this day. The most bizarre service call I've ever gotten was for a mall up in Portland. They owned an air hockey machine, and they had let me know that no air is coming out. It's kind of important for air hockey. And I get there and I'm just absolutely flabbergasted, because technically speaking, the machine works, but some lovely patron of the mall came in with a loaf of bread, like white bread, and set pieces down on the table and pushed bread into all the holes on the table. And I absolutely I've never experienced anything like that since. I don't know what would cause somebody to do that. I don't, I was mad I had to do it, but man, the whole time I just thought it was so funny how stupid that was. If you are interested in arcade games, you should go on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, whatever, buy the crappiest full-size cabinet you can get, and just watch one YouTube tutorial, and that's it. You may not get a job out of it, because I have that job, but it's, for a home setup, they're very easy to work on. You don't have to worry about people coming in and smashing them. If you spill a drink on it, that's kind of on you. They're pretty cheap and easy to get into, but yeah, there's a lot of fluff in the market, or people get rid of cabinets cheap because, oh, the board doesn't work. That's fine. You can get a generic one on eBay for 10 bucks. It's fine. Just go out, go get a cabinet. They're really fun. You have people over, drink, do whatever. It's cool. It's a social thing.